Solvang is a little Denmark in California. It's a city in Santa Barbara County founded by Danish immigrants. It has a rich Danish heritage, authentic architecture and traditional windmills. This small city has more than 35 restaurants and 18 hotels. Solvang is also known for its wineries. We were in Solvang during the pandemic, so we couldn't visit the massive places in the city. For example, the Elverhøy Museum of History and Art, the Hans Christian Andersen Museum, the Solvang Vintage Motorcycle Museum, Willik Museum of Art and Nature, Solvang Amber Museum, or for example just taking a town tour by horse-drawn carriage. If you are traveling to California or LA, add Solvang to your travel list, because there is nothing like Solvang you can see in California.